Click on the link below to get price. The AIMS Power 3000 Watt 12 VDC Pure Sine Inverter Charger is a versatile and reliable solution for those in need of converting DC power into a clean and usable AC format. As more individuals and businesses seek to harness renewable energy sources, products like this inverter charger play a crucial role in enabling efficient power management, especially in off-grid applications or during power outages. At its core, this device functions as both an inverter and a charger, offering the dual benefit of converting 12-volt DC power, such as from batteries or solar panels, into standard 120-volt AC power for household appliances and electronics. The pure sine wave output is a key feature, as it closely mimics the power generated by utility companies, ensuring compatibility with sensitive electronics and reducing the risk of damage. One notable feature of the AIMS power inverter is its power capacity of 3000 watts, which allows it to support a variety of devices. From larger appliances like refrigerators and microwaves to smaller electronics such as laptops and televisions, this inverter is designed to handle diverse electrical loads. Additionally, it comes with a built-in charger that can recharge batteries, further enhancing its functionality and appeal for those who may operate in remote locations. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Users will appreciate the user-friendly interface, which includes LED indicators for power status and fault conditions. This feature allows for real-time monitoring, enabling users to manage their power consumption effectively and to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. For those interested in using this inverter charger in various settings, it is equipped with multiple protection features. These include overload protection, over-temperature protection, and short-circuit protection, all of which contribute to the safety and longevity of the device. The robust design is built to withstand the rigors of both indoor and outdoor use. In conclusion, the AIMS Power 3000 Watt 12 VDC Pure Sine Inverter Charger stands out as a reliable option for individuals seeking to convert DC power into clean AC power efficiently. Its combination of power capacity, user-friendly features, and protective mechanisms make it suitable for a variety of applications, from home backup systems to off-grid living scenarios. Whether for emergency use or as part of a sustainable energy strategy, this inverter charger provides a practical solution for managing power needs.